Hi crypto kings and queens, we are looking at Bitcoin first of all on the weekly chart, so we are making sure that we understand why the market came to this level and retested. You can see that we're having a supply candle on the weekly chart, this small wick that we're having, and the market did retest for the 2370. Going to the lower time frames, we can see more exactly how the market did retest it. If we were also taking a Fibonacci from 45,290 to the lowest point at 37,020, you can see the market also is retesting the 61%. Now market is bouncing back down. So what can happen now is that we're coming back down to another demand zone that we do have around 37,745 and 38,440. If we are now seeing more momentum to the downside and we're actually breaking this demand zone and you see potential retest, the targets that I'm having that I potentially can see Bitcoin coming to is 35,250 and potentially 31,040. What we need to see is the break of this level and the break of this support trend line that we also do have based on the weekly chart, which we also will probably see a bounce back up a little bit. So we will not just see the market breaking to the downside, you'll see the market trying to continue up a little bit and then potentially continue back down. But overall picture, market is still going down. We did create another lower high, so now the market, if we're following market structure, needs to create another lower low. An overall picture on Ethereum, if we're just going to the higher time frames, what we can do, we saw the market coming up to the Fibonacci levels around 2761 retested. We saw the break of the pullback that we're having. So what we're doing is that we're taking a Fibonacci from 2756 to the lowest point at 2571, and I expect the market now to come up and retest potentially 2665 and 2686, and at that point I do have the targets, and those are around 2526. It is 2,435 and potentially 2,350 as I see right now on Ethereum. So just waiting for a pullback to the Fibonacci levels and then see the bounce back down. Don't forget that you can receive the best bonuses on Bybit through Bitcoinsensus. You're having the link in the description down below the video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you always know when I'm having my live stream or my next video. Have a good day.